Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a mini review of the Nykaa Get Set Matte Demi Matte Lip Creme. I've wanted to try these for a while and I finally got my hands on one of these. I got mine in the shade 06 Thirsty. So like every other Nykaa product, this too comes in a cardboard packaging and the packaging is really cute. And the name of the shade is written on it along with some other details. Comes in this basic plastic tube, nothing much to talk about. The name of the shade is mentioned at the bottom and it is of course transparent, you can see the shade through it. And finally, let's check out the swatch. As you can see, it's a beautiful mid-toned dusty pink, I would say. It's not too bright, it has a fair amount of brown in it, and overall it's a beautiful shade. And this is how the doe foot applicator looks. Talking about the formula, it is a hydrating lipstick, feels very light and comfortable on the lips, pretty pigmented and covers up pigmentation pretty well. This doesn't have any fragrance, which is great. Overall a very good everyday wear lipstick, but it of course is not transfer resistant. And it's not matte, but it's not very glossy either. And let's try this. This is not a light shade, which means everyone can wear it, and I imagine this shade is gonna look pretty on every skin tone. This shade works fine for me and I am dusky. I am MAC shade NC42 by the way. So that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.